Question 27e. Karen is in Athens, which is 2 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Marco is in New York, which is 5 hours behind Greenwich Mean Time. Part 1. Karen is going to ring Marco at 10 p.m. on Tuesday, Athens time. What day and time will it be in New York when she rings? So to help answer the question, I've drawn a number line, and on this number line I've indicated GMT, also known as UTC, and I've given that a value of 0, so that's in the middle of the number line there. Now Athens is 2 hours ahead of GMT, so Athens is written to the right of GMT with a value of +2, and Karen is in Athens. And New York is 5 hours behind GMT, so New York is written to the left of GMT, and I've given it a value of -5. And of course Marco is in New York. So the time difference between New York and Athens can be found by finding the time difference between New York and GMT. So between -5 and 0, there are 5 hours. And between GMT and Athens, there's another 2 hours. So 5 hours plus 2 hours gives us 7 hours. So Athens is 7 hours ahead of New York, or we can say that New York is 7 hours behind Athens. So Tuesday, 10 p.m. in Athens, if we subtract 7 from 10 p.m., corresponds to Tuesday, 3 p.m. in New York. So part 2, Marco is going to fly from New York to Athens. His flight will leave on Wednesday at 9 a.m. New York time and will take 11 hours. What day and time will it be in Athens when he arrives? So since we're interested in the time that he arrives and reference to Athens time, it makes sense then that the first thing we need to think about is to convert the New York time, or the time when Marco leaves, which is reference to New York time, to Athens time. So Wednesday, 9 a.m. in New York, if we add 7 hours to that, that corresponds to Wednesday, 4 p.m. in Athens. So as soon as the plane takes off in New York, Corinne in Athens will look at our watch and go, oh, it's 4 p.m., the plane has taken off. And it's Wednesday, 4 p.m. in Athens, the moment the plane takes off. Now we're told here that the flight takes 11 hours. So now that everything is referenced to Athens time, all we need to do is just add 11 hours to this time here and then work out what day and time the plane arrives in Athens. So Marco leaves New York on Wednesday, 4 p.m. Athens time, and the flight takes 11 hours. Again, we can visualize this with a number line. Now I've drawn a slightly different number line here. So in the middle here, I've indicated midnight, 12 a.m. and it's Wednesday on this part of the number line. So this is Athens time. And obviously past midnight, it becomes Thursday. So Wednesday, 4 p.m., the plane takes off and takes 11 hours, obviously to fly from New York to Athens. So from 4 p.m. to midnight, that takes 8 hours. And from midnight plus 3 hours, so that gives us the total flight time of 11 hours, 8 plus 3, to give us our 11 hours, means that the plane will land in Athens at 3 a.m. on Thursday. So Marco lands in Athens on Thursday at 3 a.m. Athens time.